Okay, so this is a test to see how this all works. Shooting handheld right now on the Lumix S1II with a 16-35 f4. We're inside the studio, and this up here is my top-down view showing you things that are down here. You probably can't see it very well. Anyways, that's shooting in 8K, which is kind of overkill. It's 8K Opengate, so it allows me to crop in, zoom in, do whatever I need to do. We'll get to this later. Down here, we've got another Lumix S1II, and it is recording to the Atomos Ninja down here, Ninja Ultra. And I'm seeing myself on this great Lilliput monitor. Up above, we have got a Lumix S1II with the same 16-35 that I'm rocking on this camera. It is also recording to a Ninja, sorry, Atomos Ninja. I'm lighting everything with this Amaran 200XS massive parabolic umbrella, basically just for the lighter shadows. This right here is a Aperture 120D, but that'll be changing tomorrow. And then I've got a couple Amaran 60 rays, which are pretty sweet. So yeah, that's the tour. Audio-wise, everything is coming in from this right here, being fed through this Rodecaster Pro 2, if it works. I don't know how it's gonna sound. I don't know what it's gonna pick up, what I'm gonna need to clean up. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So now that you can see what I see, I have got a lot of unboxing stuff to do. I've got those boxes there, and I've also got, okay, nobody ever shows you the mess. I've got the mess. You can kind of see the monitor, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. I've got several boxes here that I've got to do. And then there's some lenses and boxes over there, and some down there that you can't really see. So let's get back to it. See how this sounds and see how this looks.